Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Faulkner again. I'm back with you for lesson 19 of the problem set. It says use the disk to fill in the blanks in the equation. We have four rows of three ones. So, how many ones do we have altogether? Yes, we have 12. 4 times 3 is 12. So now let's look at the next one. We have four rows, but this time we have three tens in each row. So we need to know how many tens is that? Yeah, it's 12 tens. It's still 4 times 3 is 12, but now it's tens. So how much is 12 tens? That's exactly right. It's 120. Nice job. Let's scroll on down and let's look at number 2. In number 2, we're actually going to use the chart to complete the blanks in the equations. So here we have two rows of four ones. So that equals 8 ones. Yes. So 2 times 4 is 8. In the next one, we have two rows of four tens. We know that four tens is 40. Well, 2 times 4 is still 8, but now we're looking at 8 tens. And how much is 8 tens? That's exactly right. That's 80. So 2 times 40 equals 80. Let's look down at C. 3 times 5 ones. So we have three rows of 5. That is 15 ones. So 3 times 5 is 15. Over here we have three rows of 5 tens. Well, 3 times 5 is still 15, but now it's 15 tens. And so now we're looking at 3 times 5 tens is 50. So 15 tens is 150. Wow, awesome. Nice work. Let's keep scrolling. Let's look at E. E says 4 times 5 ones. So we have four rows of 5, which is 20 ones. So 4 times 5 is 20. Looking at F, we have four rows of 5 tens. Well, 5 tens is 50, remember, but 4 times 5 is still 20. So now we have 20 tens. 20 tens is 200. Awesome. Let's look at number 3. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 tens times 2. Well, 7 times 2 is still 14, but now it's 14 tens. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 tens times 3 is just 24 tens. 60 times 5. Well, 6 times 5, it's like saying 6 tens times 5 is 30, and then we put our 0 on for the tens. 4 times 80, or that's the same as saying 4 times 8 tens. Well, 4 times 8 is 32 tens. Right? Let's scroll down a little bit. Looking at G, G says 7 times 40. Well, 7 times 4 is 28, and then tens. 50 times 8. 5 times 8 is 40 tens, which is 400. A bus can carry 40 passengers. How many passengers can 6 buses carry? And they want us to model with a tape diagram. So remember when we have our tape diagram, we have equal groups. We have 6 buses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those aren't equal, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're not actually equal, but they should be. And in each bus, we have 40 passengers. Okay, it told us that in the story. Remember, we're learning from our story problem. That's where we get all of our information. So now we have 6 buses of 40, or we can say 6 times 40. Well, 6 times 4 is 24, and then we just add the 0 at the end, or it's 240. So we want to know how many passengers can 6 buses carry? 240 passengers. Okay? All right, boys and girls, if you need any help with that, make sure you contact your math teacher before moving on, or you may pick up on it in your Zern lesson a little better if you're having trouble. We'll see you soon. Bye.